So let's take a look at phosphorus. Okay, and I'm going to write out, so this is symbol P. You can find this on the periodic table. I'm going to write the electron configuration of this that is abbreviated. That starts off of the neon, so the neon core electrons there. And then we have 3s2, 3p3, okay? And so these right here are valence electrons. There's 2 in the 3s subshell and 3 in the 3p subshell for a total of 5. And so over here in yellow, we write the Lewis structure, and we draw out those things. So the book, it looks like, I'll just be consistent, starts with the top. So the 2 here are the S. It doesn't matter where you put these, but I'm just being consistent. So these 2 dots could represent the electrons in the 3s. And then we place 3 dots around the phosphorus atom. And why do we put them in different spots? Because remember, they kind of spread out into different orbitals, right? So these 3 here would be the 3p. So the main thing I want you to get away before you freak out here is that we have 5 valence electrons and we have 5 dots. Now, if you look at the periodic table, phosphorus is in group 5. Phosphorus is in group 5, so we draw phosphorus with 5 dots. Okay, that's all you need to be able to do right now. Okay, let's do chlorine. Chlorine is a halogen. It has symbol Cl, and it has a lot of electrons in there. Okay, its noble gas, its electron configuration is a neon noble gas core, followed by 3s2 and 3p5. Okay. And here I'm just reinforcing the electron configurations that we've talked about before. But chlorine is in group 7. Okay, group 7. So we draw chlorine with, 7 valence electrons here, okay? Okay, so 2 on top, 2 to the left, 2 bottom, 1 over there. So group 7, 7 dots. All right? So we're talking about neutral atoms. Argon, for example, would be in group 8. It has 8 electrons, 8 dots, and we wouldn't do any reactions with it because it already has an octet. All right? So let's summarize what I've talked about so far. You look at the group number for the element you're interested in. Okay, and you just add those dots to the atom. It doesn't matter if we're talking about a metal, a non-metal, or a metalloid. Okay, silicon, how many dots would we add for that? It's in group 4, so we would add 4 dots. Okay, we don't forget to dot the I, but don't confuse that dot with a dot. All right, so lithium, we would say that this is like a group 1 element, wouldn't we? But we would still just add 1 dot to that. Okay. Magnesium. Magnesium is a group 2 element, so you could put 2 dots. I'll just put them on different sides. There's no right or wrong way to put your dots. How about oxygen? Oxygen's in group 6. It has 6 dots. Okay. So that's all you need to be able to do.